Today morning, suddenly my laptop camera stopped working. I did a lot of research, a lot of Googling. I followed almost 4 to 5 different ways of resolving it. And finally, one step helped in resolving it. I'm not sure if that one step helped or all the previous steps together helped to resolve the issue. So watch till the end so that it might also help you to troubleshoot this. Since I was able to troubleshoot, I'm making this video because of which you are seeing me in the camera. Okay, so watch step by step. Okay, so while I was working on my system today, suddenly my camera stopped working and I see that it says we can't find your camera. Okay, so this is the error code what it is coming. So let's try to troubleshoot this. This is the few things that I am trying. Let's go to privacy settings. Once you go to privacy settings, go to camera privacy setting, and as a first option you can try to uh, check this camera access for this device is on or not. Okay, it's on and it also said as on. Let me just turn off this and turn on. Okay, and just scroll down and you can also see the camera is on. Okay, so let's close this now, and next is let's go to camera app that is there and right click on it and click on app settings. Once you click on that, this is the screen that you would see. Just scroll down and you would be able to see reset, and it says if this app isn't working right, reset it. Okay, so let me just click on reset and it will say this will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preferences and sign in details. I am okay with that. Let me just click on reset. So the reset has been done. Now let me just close this and try to check this again. Let me just open the camera and see if it's working. Still the same issue. Now let's try to restart the system and see if it's working. So I just restarted my system. Let's see if it's working now. Let me just open camera. So it still says the same error. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to device manager and check if my camera is displayed there. So okay, so the problem looks like the device itself is not listed here. That means the camera itself is not listed here. So that is the reason why camera is not working. So in that case what you could do is just right click on this and scan for hardware changes. Okay, so let's just check if the camera is back. Okay, so even that did not help. Let's try one more option and probably this might help. Okay, so go to view. So you have something like device by type, connection, and you also have something called as show hidden devices. Just click on that. And here is the beauty. Now we can actually see the camera. I don't know what went wrong and why it was hidden. So it says integrated camera is here. Okay, now scan for hardware changes. Let's see if there was any change. So it all looks good. Now let's quickly check if it works. It still does not work. Let me just go back to device manager, right click, and let's give as update driver. Okay, let's click on the first option. So the best driver for your device is already installed. Okay, so let me just close this. But however, still the camera is not working. Let's just try again. Camera still not working. Let me just try once again to restart it, if that really helps. App setting, scroll down, reset. Okay, so that's done. Let's try again. Camera, Still not working. Then the only option that we have is to uninstall this. Okay, uninstall and then reinstall it. Okay, let me just click on uninstall device, delete the driver software. Okay, let me just click on uninstall. So it just uninstalled. Let me just go to action, scan for hardware changes. It should come back. Not sure if it again went to show hidden. It's not there. Okay, so now what I did is I just updated my now I just restarted my system along with updates. So let's just check system updates. Okay, so I'm going to system updates. So you could see that the Windows update is also done when I restarted my system. Now let's try if this is something that helped after all the troubleshooting that we did. Let me just close this and let me just go to device manager. Okay, so now in the device manager we can see camera. Okay, and looks like it's also enabled. Now let me just close this and see. Okay, let me just minimize this and see if camera works. I'm just opening the camera. Let camera access your precise location. That means it has started working. So let me just click on yes. Okay, so finally it has got resolved because I spent a lot of time in troubleshooting this, and I hope this video helps you also to troubleshoot the issue. Okay, awesome. Thank you. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe so that you don't miss my any of the videos. Thank you.